Greetings, my name is Jacob and I just want to showcase my video skill set by showing people how to destall and then restall a specific hung window. Now we're going to place the window back into the window frame. We need to put the sashes in first. And as you can see here, we have the balance sashes and then we have the A pin that's open right there. So what we want to do is we want to go to the sash and make sure that the flat side is on the actual frame, okay? And this footing right here, it's very important that we take this here, and here's the frame. We're gonna see that black, or the square, and this right here goes into that square. So it's gonna go like this. And then once it's in there, I'm gonna go like this here, and I'm gonna push down. And you can see right here in the square, the string goes down. And this is what causes the actual window to have tension. Okay. As you can see right there, it's gonna go under the A-frame. That's the A-pin that's open, and it's gonna hold. And as you can see, it's bouncing out like this. And we're gonna do the same thing here. Right there, make sure that the footing right there is correct. Take this guy, put him here like this. Catch. We're gonna come like that and bring it down. As you can see, it goes right into the A-frame. This right here is going this way, and this one here is going that way. So the window's gonna go down like this, and that going that way causes it to stay up. And I will demonstrate.